What's up, you guys? Kyle McFarman. This is actually day number 10 of our indoor grow setup where we're growing different plants and different flowers starting from seed indoors. So let's hit the recap and see what we missed.
All right, this is day number 3 since we planted all our lettuce and our flowers. So if you actually take a look, everything started sprouting. So I took the humidity dome off and we're just letting it stay under the light. Everything, it looks like we got a little bit of everything except for the little gem lettuce. Now we're looking at day number 4. Everything's starting to look pretty good, especially with these lights. It doesn't look like anything is getting too leggy. Everything's growing kind of the way I want it to. We have a little bit of the tennis ball lettuce coming up. Still nothing of the little gem and nothing of the balloon flowers. Everything's starting to look a little bit dry. So we're gonna give everything a little bit mist today. Very, very small amount of water. Day number 5 and everything on this tray is looking pretty legit. We finally have some little gem lettuce poking up, one there, one there. The marigolds are going pretty good. Everything over here, the lettuce is gonna have to be, I'm gonna have to thin all these out.
We are finally on to day number 7. These guys have been growing for roughly 1 week. Everything's looking good. We've added some arugula to the mix. Our marigolds look great. As you can see, the lettuce to the left is starting to bunch up a little bit. We're really gonna have to start thinning these guys out. Day number 10. Everything's gotten thinned out except a couple of these lettuces. We've actually added a whole bunch of stuff to this tray here. So this is what we've added. And these are actually growing really well as well. I'm actually really surprised.
Looks like besides the marigolds, we actually have our other flowers coming through. These are the paradiso flowers, which look like this. And then finally, the balloon flowers, and these are actually going to be blue balloon flowers. So they're finally in the final stage. They should look like this. So super exciting stuff. So as you guys can see, our grow is actually going really good. Everything is nice and thinned out. And I'm actually going to water these today with a little bit of fertilizer. And the fertilizer that I'm going to be using is going to be our Fox Farm Grow Big fertilizer. It says that what we should use is about 2 to 3 teaspoons per gallon. I'm actually going to cut that in half. I'm going to do 1.5 because these plants are still pretty small, but I want to show you how I'm going to water them. I'm actually going to be bottom watering these plants, and I'm going to show you the reason why. So if you take a look, you can see a lot of the roots on the bottom of these plants are actually poking through the bottom. So it's not going to make sense if I water these from the top because I'm going to have to really soak these for the water to get all the way down to the roots. So let's get to our bottom watering.
We're going to put about 1/4 inch of water into here, and we're going to let our cells sit for about 10 minutes to really soak up the water. And then what I like to do is put the cells into a brand new tray that's completely dry.
Alright, you guys, so everything's now watered. We've thinned out all of our trays. We've got pretty much one plant in every single cell. We're gonna do another update in the next about 5 days to see where these plants really take off, having that fertilizer for the first time. And if you like this channel, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Kyle McFarman, keep growing.